This is amazing.
Woof.
Hi friends. Today I am going to be reviewing Halsey's About Face makeup brand. This isn't a first impressions because I did already kind of play with them before these clips that you're going to see. I'm not the biggest Halsey fan. I used to be really obsessed with them, and my best friend and I in high school would like sing, what's this, Colors? We would sing that every day at lunch. Like she would play on the piano and we'd sing, and we thought we were like the best. And I think I have a video, and I think I will insert the video.
Everything is blue, his hills, his streets. Now I'm covered in the colors, pulled apart at the seams, makes blue.
I did listen to a few songs in their last album, but whatever. I think they're cool and they have a great aesthetic. And I know that they are like genuinely passionate about makeup, which is like my biggest thing with like celebrity makeup brands. So many of them are like, I'm starting a makeup brand. But it's like, you only wear eyeliner. That sounds like shade towards Ariana Grande. No. But that's not true because she does like the 60s makeup. Why did I bring Ariana Grande into this? So Halsey does their makeup, I think, for like all the red carpets. So I'm definitely the target demographic for this makeup brand because it's kind of like avant-garde and editorial. It's very colorful and artistic. I only got eye products because I don't really need any more lip products. I have a lot. They don't have any like face products except for highlighter, which is funny because it's called About Face. Maybe they'd have like a skin tint or something for like the, or like something that like a glowy primer. Halsey, do you get what I'm saying? Onto the products that I got. I got the shadow stick in Oxidize, which is a matte white. It's a thick pencil liner, and it actually comes with a sharpener at the bottom to point it out, even though it does wind up. I got it to use as kind of an eye primer because I feel like sometimes when I do like really bright pastel or neons, I haven't done that in a while. Sometimes I'm like, oh my god, I wish I had like a white cream or eye primer to put under this. But the eye primer is like, you have to blend it out. It's like, you know, it's supposed to be super pigmented in one stroke. So we'll see. I also got the matte fluid eye paint. These are so cool. I love this packaging so much. It's so cool. It's like this soft matte. Yeah, I got this in Everything Now, which is this gorgeous lime green. This is a color I've been looking for and a color I've been trying to recreate. I have this like neon green, but it's not quite this. This is like, it's like a Shrek color. They have this doe foot applicator, which I think is nice. I wish it was like more pointed so you could, you know, be a little bit more flexible with it, but you have to use like kind of a steady hand. They're supposed to be no budge, no smudge, and super pigmented. Then the last product I got was this Fractal Glitter Eye Paint in the color All About the Benjamins, which is this gorgeous teal iridescent. It's what my eyeliner is right now. It's very cool. It's supposed to be long wearing, shimmer loaded, smooth mousse eyeshadow that doesn't crease, crack, transfer, or fall out. And the packaging is kind of unique and kind of annoying because it's this giant tube, which when I saw it, I thought it would be like, it's squeezed out, which I was like, okay. And I thought it would fill up this whole thing, but it's just right here. And it has a doe foot applicator too. I was also sent a sample of their fluid highlighter, which I don't have anymore because it was a sample and I used it, but I used it in one of these clips I'm going to show you, so I'll talk about it. I tried to use like product by product, you know, do a full look, but in the end I just kind of played around with it. Hello everyone. Oh wait, I'm not doing an intro. I already did my face, About Face. This is the matte fluid eye paint. I'm going to use it as eyeliner, so I'm going to dip a brush into it, but this is what it looks like. It's this gorgeous kind of, I guess, lime green color. I'm also filming a TikTok, so I don't know how I'm gonna do both of these at the same time. I think I've already played around with this, so I've already done this before. I think this is like the perfect consistency for eyeliner. This brush is a paintbrush, as I use paintbrushes like all the time. I'm a little scared even though I've done this before. I think it's really great consistency. My Twin Peaks mug. I had this dream that I went to see Scream and Megan Thee Stallion was there. She was like hosting it. I really, really, really like the consistency of this for eyeliner. As I've mentioned, since I've already played around with it, I kind of created this look already because I didn't want this to be a first impressions because, I don't know, I didn't want to like mess up and I didn't know if I had time. Okay, so this is kind of the finished look. It's not kind of, it is. On to the next product. I also, sorry, before we finish, I used this, as you saw, the Light Lock Highlight Fluid in Shaken or Stirred. I actually kind of liked it, except I'm not really a fan of liquid highlights. It probably would have been better to put it down maybe under my foundation or like right after I put my foundation on. On to the next product. Hi, we're back. I'm gonna take this off and I want to try and use this as kind of like an eyeshadow to see what I could do with it. When I was playing around with it, all I did was kind of lay it on there and blend it out, but I want to try and make like a shape with it. I think maybe I'll do 2 different shapes. Bear with me. Perfect. Where's my brush? Using a little brush, I'm gonna let it sit for a few seconds. What I noticed was it got kind of patchy if I blended it right away. Okay, it's still kind of patchy. I mean, it got the job done. I think this will last a really long time because even when I do it like that, I just always wipe the product. Actually, this looks really good. It is still a little patchy though, and I'm a little bit of a perfectionist. Just a little bit, just a smidge. Now I want to do kind of like one video I watched, it's like, oh, these applicators are like so workable if you angle them the right way. You could get really precise lines. No, you have to like really be careful because they're kind of thick. Oh, look at that. It's blending. Oh, I like that. That is just because it was already on the brush. Let me use another product that I got from About Face that I was gonna do like a whole separate portion of this video for. This is the shadow stick. I'm scared to get them too close and get the color. I really like this shadow stick. Okay, let's see if I could blend them together. No. I do love how this shadow stick won't budge. Okay, I can't really blend them. This is what I did. Let's see, like, I mean, I guess I would have been able to tell, like, why would you be touching your face too? But it, like, will not budge. But yay, I enjoyed the fluid eye paint. Hello, I'm doing the next part of this. Oops, I'm taking off this eyeliner. I just had to show off how charisma, uniqueness, nerve, and talent this look is. I just feel like it's better to show y'all the looks and using these products with like a full face instead of just like throwing it on my eye and experimenting. Okay, so the Fractal Eye Paint comes in this interesting container and I thought it was like a squeezy tube because doesn't this look like an applicator, which I was surprised by. Okay, I'll just do what I did before. I also really love this color. It's called, I think it's called like Bills, All About Them Benjamins. And I just blended it out. It's a little patchy. But like, it's like iridescent, so like when I turn, fun. Okay, I want to try using this as just like an eyeliner, using my little paintbrush. I really like these. I think I might get more because I really do like glitter eyeshadows. Okay, I'm just gonna do like a simple wing. Just watch. Now this is everything. I'm not even done with it. It's looking like charisma, uniqueness, nerve, and talent. Yeah, I really like this. I especially because like I don't really like eyeliner in containers. I don't know if you could tell. That's why I always do graphic liner, because I like these brushes. I feel like I have more control. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm obsessed with this as an eyeliner. But it's literally just because I love eyeliner. Sorry if the lighting was bad. This is incredible. It is a bit patchy when I try and like cover the whole eye. I have to like really fill it in with that, and that would use like lots of product. Using it as liner is perfect. I'm not sure. Obviously the like applicator that it comes with is not as thin. But yeah, I really like this. So the next product I used in the green one, I forgot what that product was called. This is the matte shadow stick in oxidize, which is the white. I really wanted the fluid eye paint in white because I thought it would be better for what I needed it to be. But this, as I showed, I did use it yesterday. It's a little, this is what it looks like. So I originally got this because sometimes I feel like I need like a white base for eyeshadows, especially when I do like pastels or some really bright ones, if I'm doing like bright eyeshadow, because I have like a primer, but sometimes I feel like when I put stuff on over the primer, it doesn't, you know, give the oomph. But I think this might really work. So I'm going to, I guess, just cover this. The only thing is this has like the shape that it has, you know? Okay, I'm just gonna do like my old makeup. I don't think I could do this on camera. If you can't see, then sorry. I'm using these Makeup and Murder pastels. This is not about face, but I can't believe I used to do this like every day. Oh my god, this was a beloved look that I did. No, like I'm getting like my personality back. Can y'all even see me? This is amazing. It just sticks right on so perfectly. I loved when I did my makeup like this. I kind of wanted to see how these two work together, but I don't know how I would do that. I did not plan for this. Okay, I don't think this works. I'm a little sloppy. Or, you know what I mean. Oops. Oh, Gorgelita. Okay, the shape is a little... Ugh. Anyways, you get the idea. They kind of work together. You just have to be like very on it on like how you blend it together. I think it blended really nice. These are also like really cool colors together. I've been really into these colors, like blue, teal. That's it. On to my outro. Okay, final thoughts. I love, 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 love the Fractal Eye Glitter paints. Fractal Eye Paint. I love these. I love this so much. I love the texture of the glitter since, again, it is super fine, it is super thin. It definitely does not have fallout and it does not budge. This definitely lives up to the hype, and I kind of want to get it in the gold and the silver. I really also love the texture of this matte fluid eye paint. I think I mentioned in the little tutorial that I think it's like the perfect texture for eyeliner. Yeah, it is a little bit hard to work with though. It takes kind of some trial and error to, you know, get it to blend together. And I'm not sure how well it would blend with other products. Like if I were to put like a different eyeshadow and pair it with this, like just a pressed eyeshadow, I'm not sure if it would work. The shadow stick is nice. It definitely does what I got it for. I don't think it's like one stroke because maybe it's, I don't know, maybe it's because I have primer on. It just kind of like pulled on my eyelid, but maybe that's also just like my eyelid. And it wasn't super clean. I think the sharpener at the bottom is really smart. It doesn't really make it that sharp. It's still kind of dull. Also, this does not blend. When I tried to use it, it didn't really blend. But I mean, I guess that's it, like the no budge. But yeah, all these products are definitely no budge. This and this, the matte eye paint, were so difficult to get off.